Welcome. My name's Brian Knight, and I live near Melbourne in Australia. And it's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Thursday. Um, and I've got some spark plugs and coil packs to change in the car. Anyway, that's today's job. Um, welcome, Tom.
Hi, Brian.
Let me just share this. Welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group are to be classed as educational only, and that's because we're a group of people helping each other, and we are not financial advisors. So if you're going to take any trades, you need to be happy with them based on your own analysis. There's a full risk disclosure there, bit about us as live session traders. Um, let's go look at these pairs. Keep watching it. AUD for Darren. All right. Um, have you been put into any trades yet, Tom? Or
Oh, yeah. I'm in
oh, you
one,
have?
two, three, four, five trades.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Cool.
Can I make some changes to the right side before we get
Sure.
started?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Um, so go to your CM trim bar and change that
Yeah.
to 11.
11. Okay.
Okay. Put on your X48.
Yep.
Go to the settings.
Yep.
Okay. And then go to inputs.
Yep. We're there.
And you see the black box that says bear color in the middle there. It's the three bands and then the two
Oh,
black
yeah,
boxes
yeah.
next to it.
Bear color.
Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and change that to that same color blue, which is in the middle there.
This one.
That one right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then set it on high. There you go. And then do the three bands to white.
Which are already there.
No, uh, that
Yeah,
one. Yeah,
three
the
band
bull
color.
color. The
Oh, you
bull
want the bull
color.
color?
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
please.
That one's a white.
Yeah.
You don't want the three band then.
Right, and then turn those black.
These black.
Yeah, turn that black, and then mute the color to zero.
Oh, right. Okay,
Gets rid of all the
gotcha.
shading in the background. Keeps your screen clean.
Yeah.
Okay. Uh, Go ahead and save as.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you're done with indicators.
Hang on a minute. Hang on. Why is that jump like that? Hmm. Okay. Oh, so we've got yeah, downs and ups, yeah.
Okay, so
But we don't have the outside, do we? No.
I don't know what you're talking about, Brian.
Um, see that line, the dashed line, see how it jumps and then comes off again like that. That's okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see it. What what is that line? Uh,
Arrow up, arrow
everything in
down.
style should be off.
Ah,
Yeah, get rid
plot
of
the
those
plot
plots. I'll bet you that's what it is. Did I get rid of it?
pane labels lines. You want lines off? No, they're
Uh,
lines.
get rid of lines.
Oh, you want the
No,
labels though, don't you?
Yeah, you want
You
the
want
labels.
you want these
You don't want the
things.
lines. Yeah.
I don't know why the other line's still there. Okay,
Uh, go.
hang on. Yeah.
Okay, so close that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, shrink that down so we can find that line. Let's figure out what that is. Yeah, that's your trend line. See your fib?
Oh, it's the bit in the. What am I doing? Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay,
It's
so click on that fib and hit um, settings.
yeah,
Okay, and then you want 0.75,
yeah,
0.25,
yeah.
and then get rid of everything else except the 1 and the 0.
You don't want the 88 and the
Don't want the
619.
88. No, in fact, hold on. Before you do that,
Yeah.
do you have this saved as a setting?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, well, get rid of the ones I just had you put on the quarter and the now save
Yeah.
this one as 88.
Right, yeah, 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 yeah. Save as um, 6.19 and yeah. Yeah.
Okay, now clear this one off with the 619 and just put the three quarter and the quarter on.
Take the 88 off as well.
Hmm.
Do you want them yellow, these other ones?
You can set it up however you want. I make mine kind of thick so I can see it, so it stands out.
Yeah, okay. You want quarter and 7.5 now. Uh,
And save that one right.
same as 125 and 175. Okay. Yep. Uh, yeah.
Okay, so delete the fib you got on there now.
Yeah. Yep.
Put a new fib on from your high to your low where the triangles are at the top.
Here to here.
Yep.
I'll get rid of the box for the minute too.
Okay. Take the gold bars as well from the outside.
Oh, that's a different.
Yep. And then put on the three-quarter fib. Is that the three-quarter fib? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. So simply put, anytime it's coming in or out of that 25 or 75, you're looking for buys and sells.
Hmm.
What you're looking for is the trend line to turn white when it comes out of that box. So when it passes the 75, that trend line's white and the price is coming
Are
down.
you saying the box is between 75 and 25? Is that what you're saying?
No, 0 and 25 and 75 and 100.
Oh, there's one box here and one box here.
The only place you're interested in trading is
Hang on,
within
hang on,
those
hang on, hang on,
boxes.
hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. Let me uh let me do this. Just not as a I won't keep it on here, but what you're saying is that's one box, and you're saying that is the other box.
Correct.
Okay, as long as I know. Okay, so I can get rid of those.
Well, don't get rid of that one. Leave that
Oh,
one.
hang on, hang
Take
on,
that
hang on.
gold box. See the star, see the triangle with the box on it?
The
See the
triangle
triangle at the top?
up the top. Yeah, yeah,
See that gold bar?
yeah.
Make that your Tuesday box. Slide that up to the gold bar at the bottom.
Like that.
just like that. Now, anything that is below that gold bar, because you're going to come out of the box, spike, and then you got to come back into the box.
Yeah. You're saying it's going to go above it and then come back to it. Yeah.
Right. So now
Now,
you
hang
have,
on, but hang on. Sorry, Tom. You're going to need to explain why. What the hell is that one? That one's a bigger. Rid of that. That one's a bigger thing. So, explain again this top section between 75 and 100 and this 25 to 0. Are you, let me try and get this straight. Are you saying if it's in this top section, we're talking buys? If it's in the bottom section, we're talking sells? Is that all out of there?
no,
No.
no.
Okay.
What I'm saying is at every single one of these gold bars at
Yeah.
the high and the low, I don't care how many it is, you take it from gold bar to gold bar.
A high-low meaning with this arrow, that being the low, that being the high. Is that it?
That's exactly what I mean. So let me
Yeah,
give you a
okay. You
perfect
don't mean
example.
high there and low there.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Oh,
So a
sorry.
perfect example is if you get another fib real quick
Yep.
and do the exact same thing from the triangle right where your cursor's at. See the triangles right there?
Yeah, yeah.
Start it there and go to the bottom.
That bottom or the one further down?
Nope, that's it.
Okay.
So everything that came out of this 25 at the bottom went into the 75 and came out until it eventually hit the 50 and broke off. So you're trading it back and forth from the 25 to the 75.
Yeah, okay.
You're just not taking trades inside the 75 to the 25.
Yeah, yeah, in the middle. No. Because it's just moving
It's
around. Yeah,
playing.
okay. Yeah. It's playing
So
around, yeah.
when you came down to the 50
And
here,
also too, what you're using for your fib is the arrow for the high to the low. Okay.
that's right. So
Hmm.
even if you go see the next arrow over the
Yeah, this
one,
one
2, 3, that one right there, fix your
to
fib there
there. Okay. So you go there
to the new low.
to
Yeah, to the new low. There you go.
that one.
Came down to the 25, pushed out, and never came back.
Yeah. But it played around in between. So when it exits, then yeah, okay. When it exits out of the 100, then you're in the trade. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm saying it when it came out of that 25.
Ah, okay. Rightio.
The moment it came out of that 25 and that line was sitting there, it turned blue. I'm into the trade and I'm off.
Right. But you would also be into it here and
Yes.
into it there as
Yep.
well. Okay. I'm
So
just
you're looking at
trying to read it.
one, two, three, four good trades that you won on every one of them.
Hmm.
Didn't lose a single trade. So you see it in the 25 zone. You wait till the line turns the color. You see it in
Ah,
the
right. Okay.
75 zone. You wait till the line turns the color.
Uh-huh. Okay. So let me put this in the middle and we will talk that through. Um, don't worry about it. So it comes up to here. Um, it comes back down here when it changes color there because it's gone past the 75. You get in the trade here and it goes down. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. To the
Okay.
next gold bar at the bottom.
There, you
Where
get the gold.
where not that one, the one before it.
That
My
one.
target is that one.
Okay, yeah, and it came down there because it wicked down.
Right.
Okay.
Created a gold bar, I'm out. Now I'm looking for the 25 zone because it just
Oh, but
produced it.
you wouldn't, because you wouldn't have had this here, you wouldn't have had that, and you wouldn't have had the fib to there.
Right.
The fib would have been,
Down to your left.
hang on, whoa, yeah, down. I'm just trying to follow the process. It would have been there.
No, no, no. It would be from that. See the top of the red wick right there?
This one, no,
No. At, at you have the fib at the bottom, right?
there.
Uh-huh. At
It
the
would have
bottom.
been,
And then
it would have been over here.
no, it would have been over here at this red wick because nothing else had been created yet. So grab the top of your fib.
Yeah, but there's no triangle. Yeah,
Right. So that hadn't even been created yet. So
correct.
grab your fib and go backwards to the top of the other line that goes up.
This one here.
Yeah, because that's all you're gonna see is right there.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I meant because it's got that, or because it's got that wick there, got that thing, it would be here or somewhere there.
Well, you would still go with the high regardless, because there's a triangle up there too.
Yeah, but this is the late the one after that though. But yeah, okay, the high. And you have the high because that's the swing high. Okay, gotcha.
And then the low, and then you're only taking buys out of the 25
But you
box.
would have this fib would have been down here somewhere
No,
until it
no,
creates this.
no. As you go down, you put the fib as you're going down. So each gold bar from the high to the low, the pullback into the 25 on the first push down. See it at the very top?
Yeah, that one just there.
Yeah, just like that.
And it goes up to 75 and then comes down.
Comes down.
And then
And
you
then
change
each
it to
box,
there
that's right. And then it dropped
and then
again.
there.
And you're still in this, and it dropped again. And it dropped again. And it dropped again. But except this one, you came in and the line turned blue and you
Yeah,
bought it out.
right.
You got a gold bar, you're out of this trade.
Yeah,
It created another low, created a blue line, you bought it out.
because it went out
Oh,
from the
it
25.
failed though, created a new low. So you're already out of this trade.
Yeah,
It comes down
okay.
again. You're in again.
For the
And
blue.
now it never comes back.
Yeah, it goes to 75.
But it never comes back to the 25.
No. But would you be out of the trade here when it turns white?
You could be, sure.
Yeah, well, you don't know whether it's going to continue down to the 25 or not.
That's right. You don't know. But this is
And
from the
while it's
high
in
to the
this,
low. So it's got to come out of the box one side or another. And since this is the one that broke structure,
so
all you're
then,
doing is watching your trend line leave the box.
yeah. No, I understand that bit. So then, okay, so we've got to here. It's like this is where the fib is now because of this, and this is the only bit of thing. Then it pushes up to here,
Mm-hmm.
goes to 75, and you're in that buy, it gives you a gold bar, and then you're out, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because it's turning back down. So out, then here it turns blue again, but you're in this middle of the 75 and 25, so you won't take that trade, or you will.
Well, I wouldn't.
No, you
I
wouldn't.
would only
Okay.
be looking for sales out of the 75.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I
But
don't
this is
trade the middle.
but that's all you would see
Right,
there.
exactly.
So you don't know. And then so then it comes down and back up. So then basically you're going to move your fib once it's created another triangle up here, then you're going to move that to there.
Yep, just like
And
that.
now and now you're looking at this from the 75 to 25,
Right?
but it doesn't come down to the 25, so you're not taking either of those. You're not taking any of those trades, so would you?
I would not. If it's going sideways like this, I would not.
Because
I
it's
would tighten up.
inside the 75 and 25.
Right. If it's just going sideways like this,
Mm.
I'm not playing with this until it decides one way or another.
All right, I'm going to take that off just for the minute. I'm going to take that off for the minute because I just want to work the progression. So then it comes back down and you go, no, 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 I'm not taking. Oh, no, no, I'm not taking. But the point is, this now creates that. So that brings that within that brings it down to the 25. So you could, in actual fact, take that trade out because it changed blue there. You would take the trade, right? And then
More
you
than
would also,
likely, I would wait till that knuckle finished
you know,
and take
well,
the buy out
yeah, but you
because the
don't
line's
know
blue.
but you don't know that's going to happen there.
Well, you do kind of.
It's all Monday, Tuesday, and then bang, off it goes on the Wednesday. Okay. But then, and then you've got like, oh, I got another triangle there. So you're going to move that to here
Mm-hmm.
and it comes out of the, once you've got this triangle and that gold bar, that's then changed blue. You would take it, but you wouldn't know that's going to happen. So you would be in that trade up there.
Well, that's why I'm saying I would wait to take the trade out of the box.
Yeah, not out of once it's gone 75. That's all right, no worries. But you don't know that's what's going to happen though, Tom.
Well, no,
In
but
the
you have to
pro
watch
when
what's happening.
yeah, yeah, true. Okay, yeah. But you could have this set up that when it comes up here and turns blue, that you're in the trade. You
Yes,
could have,
that's exactly what I'm saying,
yeah. And then we've got that.
right?
Once it comes up and gives you a triangle there, oh, we've got this. So now it comes down, but it pushes back up and doesn't come down to the 25. You're saying you're only going to take buys.
On on oh, I was on the wrong one. I apologize. Uh, yeah, I'm only looking for buys out of this.
Yeah, because it hasn't come down to 25. It's just pushed down there back to 75, but down a bit. Bang, you're in the buy because of the change of color on the trend bar and it's above the 75. Is that correct?
Well, you have to move your fib up now because you've created a new bottom.
Well, but it doesn't have a triangle though.
Doesn't matter. It's still a new bottom.
Ah, okay.
That's the low. That's a new low. It just hasn't hit the other side of the rails for the push out.
Okay.
So we're still at the top of the rails up
I
here.
thought you stayed on there. That's all. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's no problem. You just need to explain to me
Right.
what you're working
So
with.
now we
And
have a
would you go up here because you've created another new one?
yes.
Okay.
And then the top should change.
Why?
But when it breaks, it's going to give you a gold bar.
Would the should the top of the fib come down to here, should it?
Now, because that's the high.
Good. Okay. But this is the low.
That's
So
technically the low.
it should stay here really. Do you go to the wick or do
I
you go
would.
to the
I use the wick. I use all
okay.
of it.
Right, yeah, good. Yeah, let's working through it. This is good. This is good.
Okay, so there's no wick on this gold bar.
Ah, the one at the top. Correct.
And you have a triangle.
Correct.
So now I'm looking for this to create a gold bar, creating equal highs, but it's going to wick and
Yeah.
start to push down once this line goes up to the 75 and turns white.
Up to, what did you say, 35? What do you mean 35?
No, 25.
Oh, the
What
25.
is that?
Okay.
7? I can't see it. It's too small.
I'll make it bigger. I'll make it bigger. I'll make it bigger. That's 75. That's 25.
Okay. So what
You
you're
don't have
looking
to add, well, the beauty of this is you don't have to flip it around because it's the same on both ends.
right.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, that's okay. So I'm looking for a sweep of liquidity and a pullback. And my Tuesday box would be at the top of this gold bar.
Yeah. Gotcha.
So can you grab a rectangle real quick?
Yeah. Can.
Okay, perfect. So all I'm looking for is that to close somewhere around this box, around the white box you just put on. Give me a gold bar, give me a wick or two, whatever the case may be.
It might even break the top though. It might make a new high.
Yeah, that's fine. All I'm looking
Okay.
for is within this 25 or 75 zone, whatever that is, for this white line, this blue line to come up, turn white, and
Yeah.
I will take it from the 75 to the 100% is my stop.
Oh, okay. All
And
right.
then it
So
has to work its way all the way up and down.
yeah. Oh, what am I doing? I think I got a short. So there, two, there. Yeah.
No,
Oh,
no.
you
So
said 75
let me
to,
explain. Let me explain.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So when it gives you the gold bar,
Yeah.
you're going to move your fib.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So now let's play it out. Like grab the top of the fib and go to the top of
Yeah.
the green line.
Yeah. Top of the green line. Gotcha. Up there.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So now move your entry up from the yellow line to the white line. There you go. And then your take profit is wherever the bottom is down at the other side of the 25.
Okay.
Well, yeah, shrink that down. Wherever that green line goes is what your target is. Okay?
Yeah.
It's the same thing every single time, no matter what. There's your entire trading strategy. Has to give you the gold bar. This has to be telling you it's pushing down. It has to come outside. It has to sweep liquidity outside this box and then push down past the 75. And wherever it makes a low, it makes a low.
So what
You're
you're doing
just
is you're creating the fib is being placed between the highs and the current highs and lows.
mm-hmm,
The current high and low. And normally the high or low would probably could potentially have a triangle on it
right.
from the X48 or not.
Or
It just
not.
depends. And you just constantly as the Renko bricks are created, you constantly, well, not constantly, but you're moving it as it gives you that high and low.
Correct. Now, just as you had moved that fib up to the gold bar in the middle there above the 25,
The
move
fib,
that fib back up to that gold bar there in the middle at the bottom. One gold brick up.
you want this to
Yes.
be up here.
Yes. Now
Why?
adjust your stop.
Why?
Tighter stop.
But that's not the current low, though.
It doesn't matter. It's going to have to beat the low to come out. I'm looking for the push out to get the best
And it's going
optimal.
to have to beat the high to come out too.
No, not necessarily. It could literally just come up
Create a
and
cold and then come down.
gold bar and not beat this.
Yeah, okay.
You know,
Mm-hmm.
we don't know, but we don't care. All we want is something that's going to tell us, like a gold bar, it's going to turn around and I'm putting on my trade at the 25 or 75, whichever direction you're going.
25 was buying, 75 was selling.
Right.
Is that correct? Yeah, okay.
Well, either way, like you said, either way, it doesn't matter.
Mm. So what we're waiting for on this currency pair, AUD is we're waiting to see what it does right at this point.
Right.
Will it break it? Will it just come up here and make a gold brick here and then start selling out? And when or if it does sell out, we're waiting. Well, if for example it just sits there and gives us a gold bar and then starts, and then the next brick is a sell, we're waiting for the trend bar to turn white before we would get into the trade. Is that what you're saying?
Yep.
Okay, good. I'm just trying to clarify it.
Yep. Absolutely.
And
So
then we
take the
would be in the sell from that point.
right. Exactly.
So
So,
we're just talking scenarios at this point.
oh, yeah, absolutely. So you could
Okay.
take your fib at the top and run it
Yeah.
over to that green line,
Run it over to the green line.
the high of the green line, the
I've
top of your
done that.
fib. Yeah, that one
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
Slide it over. There you go.
To there.
Yes. Okay, so just let it play out in real time. This is what it's saying it's going to do.
Oh, right.
So if it says it's going to do it, let's see if it does it.
Right. We're saying if the indicator, it's saying the pivot indicator is saying that's what it's going to do, we just put the fib there to sort of, and if it changes that green line at all, then that fib will still be in that location.
Right. And if it changes the green line, gives you a new scenario, now you know you're playing in a different game than what you're actually seeing. The
Right.
computer thinks it's something else.
Yeah. Yeah.
That your brain is not saying, oh, wait, that was 400 candles ago. I need to pay attention.
Right.
You're doing basic trading,
You are
which is if it,
following where it is at and looking at capturing a trade opportunity at the point it occurs.
right.
Okay. I'm with you.
And again, you have to wait. You
Yeah.
can't say, I think this is going to happen, because it's
Yeah,
going
no,
to
we don't know because this
bite you in
could,
the ass every time if you say,
yeah,
oh,
yeah,
it passed the 75. I'm going to put a trade on now. It's like, don't do that. Don't do that.
yeah.
You got to pay attention. You got to make sure you get your gold bar. You got to make sure it holds. You got to make sure. I mean, it's just a ton of stuff.
Oh, yeah, because the gold bar could disappear too. You could
Yeah,
put a gold bar
exactly.
here and then it could continue further up.
Right. So what I'm looking for here is a gold bar,
Yeah. Oh, sorry, gold indicator. Yeah.
a, yeah, the
Gold
gold
bar.
bar indicator
Yeah, yeah.
to give me a gold bar and have this line turn white and it's going down. I'm looking for that. However, this
Yeah,
could
but
have a
it won't.
gold bar.
Yeah, but if you've got a gold bar there, it's going to have to do a couple of bricks before it turns white on the indicator anyway.
Right. So
Yeah,
let's say you do get a
you got
gold bar
time.
here. You got time.
Yeah,
You get a gold bar here and it
yeah,
starts to come down and it stalls.
yeah,
And all of a sudden, this turns into a knuckle. And now we're pushing up. This
yeah,
green line changes and away we go.
yeah.
You have to
Yes.
look at all scenarios as they happen in real time. But this is the
Yeah.
most basic of basic tradings that there is.
Yeah. Yeah, we got non-farm payroll coming up too, or getting to come this week.
Okay, so that's every trade setup. If you want to go through them, let's go. Let's go look.
Oh, okay. We're not looking at the dailies. We'll just do these at this point. The Renko 2 hours, right? Okay, good. AUD I'll clear all the other stuff off and then we'll go from there. What is that? Oh, get rid of that. That was a trend line. That looks well. Anyway. Right, I've got that. I can clean this all up. I got that one there, but there you go, I'll get rid of it. Right here. Okay, so where we're at the moment.
Grab the fib.
Yep, that's what I'm doing. We grab fib. We'll go from that high there. Do we go down to here?
Yep.
And in actual fact, that's sort of where that fib is there anyway, isn't it? Where the indicator is. So there. So at the moment, I'm not going to worry about the box thing. That we'll talk about that because I mean that just for me that just complicates it just at the minute. But we'll stay with it. So it's coming from that low there. It was at the high, but now the indicator, the forecast indicator, is saying it's going to come up here, pull back and up. Look at that. Yeah, up here, back down to the 25. Yeah, okay. That it?
Right. However,
That's turned blue.
to reality. Let me explain. Reality
Hmm.
is you have a red wick there.
Yeah.
You should put your fib back on that red wick.
Yeah, but I wouldn't know where this is going then. Anyway, okay.
Well, you do know where it's going because they're showing you a line so you can see it.
Yeah.
That is actually what has happened. So you don't change this fib line over until you get your break and it comes down.
Say that again.
Okay.
You don't change the
So
fib.
so you put your fib in the full high and low with the wicks included, high to low, and you take the
Ah,
line and you take the
well,
line behind it,
that's got a wick there.
which
Yeah,
is the line it just created, right? That's the down line
there. Yeah.
right there. Now it's come down to the 25, pushed out, and away we go. If this should come up, tap that top, make a knuckle, and keep going,
Yeah.
then this green line is going to change.
Yes.
But
Yes.
having this,
Yeah.
but having the fib on the real line,
Yeah.
if this thing does pull back and tap the 7.5 and take off, you want it based in reality.
Yeah.
So don't move your fib until the line creates it.
Yeah. Okay. We can just change that as things move along. All
That's
right.
all
Yeah.
you're doing
Nice.
is you're just tracking it as it moves along.
Yeah. Yeah. But then making a decision based upon the 75-25 and the trend bar.
Right.
Okay. So
And
at the moment,
look,
so what could have happened here is as it turned here, that would have been a good trade coming out of the 25 going up. I mean,
yes.
yes, it's created the knuckle, but that's not what have we got? Oh, well, you probably wouldn't have taken it from there. Hang on. Maybe somewhere in here. It would have pulled back and then up again. It's 26 pips. Okay.
To the top.
To the top up there. 60, 65. Hmm. That's if it.
And that's if it stops there.
Yeah, correct, correct. It doesn't
That's what I'm
not.
trying to stress.
Yeah,
We don't know if this is where it's going to stop
because
because
that'll change. Yeah, because it could change the green line. Yeah.
right, exactly.
Mm. But if you get a gold indicator, and it stays there, then you're out of the trade.
Okay, so before we move on,
Yeah.
I want you to go to indicators,
Okay. Yeah.
and I want you to find orb lux algo,
Orb.
orb ORB.
Uh,
Lux algo.
this one, Algo Flux Charts.
No, no, that's flux charts. You're looking for lux algo. Put in lux algo orb.
Okay.
I
No,
think lux
not.
algo is one word.
Uh, no.
What the heck? Hold on, let me see. Oh, it's opening. Oh, no, get out of there. I got it. It's opening range breakouts. Opening range with breakouts.
And targets by Lux Algo.
Yep,
This
that's
one.
it.
Okay.
Okay, go to settings, go to style.
Hang on, hang on. Gee, where's his? He's on the. Yeah.
Okay, all you
Inputs
want
or
is panel labels and lines.
don't want labels there or values. Yeah. Inputs.
Inputs are show historical data
Yeah.
and then change the time frame for uh, New York. What is New York?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, you want it to be 30 minutes of New York.
That's London. New York is -4. Okay. Oh, yeah, -5. -4 there. Yeah, but that's not ticked.
Yeah, you have to take that, and then you have to put in the times you want. So you want it from whatever your time in New York would be.
What times do I want?
You want a 45-minute span from 5 a.m. when New York opens to 6:15.
But New York opens for me at 1 a.m.
Okay, then that's the time you want because you're going to set it to New York time.
This way down. What am I doing? One, yeah, till now until 7. Yeah.
Okay, and then
You want 30 or 40? Did you say 45 or 30?
no, you leave that at 30.
Okay, good.
You set the time
Yeah, yeah,
from 1 to 7 for 45 minutes.
yeah. Where's
That's
the
it.
45 minutes?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
That's
That's what I was
45
going to.
minutes, right? I can't see it. It's so small, man.
1 o'clock to 7 o'clock.
It's
No,
45 minutes.
no, it's 6 hours.
Yeah, no, you only want 45 minutes from 1 o'clock.
Oh, right. Sorry. 1:45. Gotcha.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, and then show breakout signals. Get rid of those. Just unclick
You
it.
don't want them? Yeah.
Show targets. Unclick that,
Yep.
and unclick inputs on the line down at the bottom.
Oh, okay. Keep it on.
Uh, no,
Take it off.
take it off.
Yep.
Okay, and then you see the The bull targets, the bear
Yep.
full, all
Yep. Yeah. Yeah.
those.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Okay, you see the one that says OR levels?
Yep.
Make those bright yellow.
Yep. Yeah. Got them.
Is that 100%?
Yep.
Okay, and then the one next to it?
Yellow.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, and then just hit save as. Okay, so this does it for you. This tells you where the opening market was at New York, what the low was, and what the high is. Do you see where it says low and high there in the middle of your
Well,
screen?
yeah. Yeah. OR high, OR low. Yeah.
Right. You see where it keeps coming back to? The green line? It keeps coming back to this orb.
This green line,
Yes,
it comes back to there, to the
that's
opening.
where the orb is. That's your opening breakout
Yeah.
range.
And these are ones from previous, are they?
Yes,
And that as well,
right,
where it came back to again.
right.
Gotcha. And there where it played around and then came back to it over here. It was there,
Uh-huh.
opening, and then it dropped, came back, and then came back to it.
Yep.
Then down, and then came back to it. Yeah, and then came back to it again, and then back to it. Okay. So you're saying this potentially will come back to it.
Oops. Yeah, well, that's what you're looking at. See how it always comes back to this stuff?
Yeah. Eventually. Not.
Eventually.
Yeah. Okay. So we really should have been, well, we could have taken this opportunity on Tuesday.
That's right. So one more, if you would.
The next
Go to
pair.
indicators
Oh, sorry. Indicators. Yeah. Indicators. Yep. Gotcha.
and then hit daily, weekly, monthly, yearly opens.
Yeah. Here we go. There we go.
Top one.
SBTC. Yeah.
Yep. Go to settings.
And this is opens. Okay. Yep.
Get rid of the day, the week, the month. Hit 3 months and get rid of 12 months. You don't need the inputs on your status line either. And then go over one more and get rid of the status lines again. And then save.
Do you want panel labels?
Yes.
Lines?
Yes.
Okay. There it is.
Okay. This is
There's
another one
that's the
that it
three
just
months.
loves to come back to consistently. Consistently. When your 618 or your 25 or your 3/4, whatever fib line you're working with, lines up with this, you're looking for a buyout or a sell off, whichever direction it's going.
Yeah, okay. So what is it? That's 3 monthly open, is it? Yeah, that's where it opens from for the 3 months.
3 months
Is that
ago.
it opened 3 months ago there? Okay, yeah. Okay.
And that's the same on every one as you go down.
Every pair.
Every pair. It's the exact same setup. So at some point, do
Yeah,
you,
but it
do
will
you
be the same. Yeah. Because if I
so
go
that
back up to UCAD, those things will be in there. See, they're already in there.
Right.
And look at the 3 month down here where the thing's saying it's going to go.
Exactly. You should change that color so it's bright so you can see it. Just
Uh,
saying, it's yours. I don't, it's none of my business, but
no,
you got to open it first. Oh, look at you
no,
go.
no, I don't. I don't have to. I can make it green. No, that's not good enough. What are we going to make it?
Make it gold.
Yeah, but that's the same as all the other colors
Oh, no,
there.
the gold down at the bottom.
Oh, this one,
Yeah, there you go.
that's
Oh, yeah, Darren's
orange.
here.
Yeah. There.
So there you go.
Oh, Darren, how are you? Oh, he's out and about. Look at him. He's eating at a restaurant. I can see. Yeah, that's what's happening. Mr. EA. Oh, no, can't hear him, so that's okay. Well, there's a whole lot of stuff that we're going through, Darren. This is manual trading 101 from Tom. He's got a few changes we're putting on. We're just about to, so there we got AD. That was the AD CHF. Oh, he's there now.
Yeah, yeah, I'm back on my travels, Brian.
Yeah, no
Work
worries.
again, so
That stuff gets in the way all the time, doesn't it?
it does, doesn't it? Yeah.
How dare they? Unbelievable. Rightio. So, Tom, this is a fib that's there down to there.
Mm-hmm.
But the point is, we haven't got a new low there, have we? I mean,
Mm-mm.
so we've got to keep that where it is at the moment.
Exactly.
Now, the point though is, if I look at this right now, based upon what you've been saying, that line turned white, you would get in the sell, but I've got this green thing going up, the forecast. So I wouldn't get in, even though it's coming past the 75, would you not get in it?
I'm looking at the same thing you're looking at, and no, I'm not in this.
No, because it's not telling me it's going to go down to the 25 at this point. It's saying it might pull up and then then it will give me a high to low. I'll be moving my fib up there because that'll be the low and we'll have a high.
Right.
So it's not quite ready yet. It could come down to here. It could come down to this open, the New York Open down here,
Right. So
but we don't know.
so slide the top of your fib across and use your trend line built into the fib to go where it turned white. Not at the green line, at the top of the red wick.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. That's what you want. There.
Yeah, right there where it changed. Perfect. Okay, so now all I'm waiting for is some sort of pullback, just some sort of pullback.
Yeah.
It like a wick that taps that white line, and it looks like it's starting to push up, right? No, that's your
No,
opening close. Man,
no,
that
it's
is
starting to
so.
close. Sorry, it's no, it's below the completed brick. Not by much, but it is below. It's below the completed. No, it's above the completed brick. Yes, it's up here. It's up here, but it's not showing you. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm waiting for this to come
Yeah.
down and finish its pullback. Wherever this is going to come down to, I think it's going to come down to the top of the gold brick, right where it's at. See the gold
You
brick to
mean,
your left?
yeah, this one here.
Yeah. Would you draw a box across there so you can
Yeah, sure.
track it? Okay. So now I'm just waiting for some sort of pullback. I would really like to see a wick here. And then my entry would be on the other side of this white box. And my stop would be at the 75.
For the
And my
sell.
and my take profit would be down to 25.
Okay.
If it fails to do that and doesn't make the other 25, I'll buy it back out.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Because it's still 50%. It came down and collected something down here and took off. But if it doesn't reach the 25, so now
Yeah.
that you
Okay.
created a new low, you can move your from the wick down at the bottom, the fib down at the bottom, up to the gold bar at the bottom.
That one.
That one. Now it changes the picture again.
Yeah.
Because see this green line that comes out that pokes out?
Yeah.
That's what you want. This is called projection.
Yeah.
At the top, you see where the green line comes out?
Yeah.
That's called projection.
Yeah.
So as it projects out, you adjust your fib and then buy it out from the 25.
Yeah.
But it's got to come out of the box first.
Yeah.
And then break the high.
Yeah. And then come back.
So you're only taking extremes from the highs to the lows. You're not trading anywhere here in the center.
No, because it just fluffs around. Okay. All right. Let's look at Darren's favorite. Darren's best friend. How's that? There we go. AUD NZD.
Yeah, so it's
Doing
sort
a
of hit
little
that level
pullback.
now, isn't it? Yeah.
Well, it's got a bit further to go.
Oh, it's going to go sideways for a few days now, and then it's either going to kick on and
Yeah.
push through or fall away. You know, stating the obvious, really. But
I think it'll push through, but that's okay. I think it needs to make that new high. So where are we now? We have this low here.
Nope. Gold bar up. One up.
Yeah, okay, hang on a minute. But that's, yeah, well, we've got nothing. Hang on a minute. I'm just gonna, oh, not that one. Oh, yeah. Actually, I need to keep that one because that's actually the high from over there. Okay, so where do you want it? You want it up one. You want it up here, do you?
Yeah. I know you can't see it on yours, but you see that knuckle?
This one here.
Yeah, that's a gold bar on mine. So I would move it up one.
Okay. But I don't have it, so I have to work with what I've got.
Stay in reality.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then the top,
Okay.
where would you put it? You just keep
At where it's
traveling
at
it.
now.
Yeah, you just keep putting it up and up and up.
Yeah, wherever it's going to land is going to land. And now I'm watching that white trend line push up.
You mean the blue one?
I'm sorry, the blue one. And
Yeah. And see if it changes.
see if it changes. If it changes, I'll set up a trade for the 25 or the 75, I should say, whatever that is.
And that's New York Open there. That's
Right.
New York Open. That's a New York. I didn't move much there. That's a New York Open there. That's a New York Open there. There. Look at that. There. Back there. Yeah. Okay. They're the 3 month down there. Whoa. Okay. Rightio.
So now I'm looking for sales out of it until it tells me
Yeah.
otherwise.
Yeah. But we don't have cells yet. And you would potentially have this up here somewhere because there's a gold bar there. Okay, gotcha. But mine is there at the moment. So, okay. Well, Darren, it's looking like, yeah, it might just have now non-farm payroll, a little pullback. Probably won't be enough to profit or anything, and then up she goes again next week.
Yeah, quite possibly.
Possibly. Okay, right. Fair enough. AD Singapore, I know you don't
But it's
trade
at the
any.
top of that.
Oh, sorry.
At the top of that channel, isn't it? That.
Yeah, see that the white line is the top
Yeah.
of the previous high
Yeah.
to the left. And I think
Yeah.
it's wanting to break that. And it wants to break it, which means it has to go above and then come back. Anyway, still no trades on Euro stable this week. I haven't seen anything. I changed it last night to the version 3 off the Euro stable light, but still no trade.
Yeah. Let me have a look. No.
Which is the only one that's on MT4.
Oh, MT4, isn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, while you're looking there, I'll go to Euro Singapore. We just got to set all of these up the same.
Yeah, if you want, you can just. I don't know if you want to or not, but over there where it shows the eyeball in your tools,
Eyeball.
go to your left, all the way to your left,
Oh, eyeball.
eyeball. If you click
Yeah.
on the little arrow next to it, it says delete all drawings if you want.
It's to hide.
No, there's a, or is that the hide? Which one's the delete? Try the garbage can.
Yeah.
Arrow on that one.
Can. Yeah.
Oh, here we go, Brian. There's been a bit of action on Euro stable. Let's have a look.
Has it?
Yeah, on mine. Yeah.
No.
Oh
Action.
gosh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 trades.
I got nothing. So
All
something's going
profited
on.
out. First one.
Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to have to go back and look. You've got that news indicator on it as well, haven't you?
I think so, yeah.
You think so?
Well,
I love it.
I put it on there. I did put it on there, I must say. That.
Yeah.
So that was at. That was at. It started at 12:30. That must be UK time, presumably. And then closed out. Final one closed out about 4:45 p.m.
Right.
Which,
Oh, well, okay. I better go back and look
yeah,
and see why, but I can't see
yeah.
any reason why it's not taking any trades. But anyway. All right.
So that was
Okay. Thank
that was
you.
about a third of a percent.
Okay.
Yeah. I think there was a couple of recovery trades in there. Looking at it, two of them were actually closed. Two closed as a loss.
Yeah, okay.
So the first three were all winners.
Yeah.
And there was two that closed as a loss, followed by three winners. So I think there was recovery positions in there
Okay.
later in the day. Yeah. All at the same lot size. So that's good.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Well, I'll have to go and have a look and see why. All right. AUD USD, Tom, that would have been a buy from here. Bang. Straight up.
Yes.
Tuesday Tuesday. Bang, bang, bang. Okay. Makes it pretty simple, doesn't it?
Pretty does, huh?
Yeah, because this would have been down the bottom there, then would have moved up there. Yeah, okay. All right, so that's how you do USD. Look, I'm just going to go through each one and we'll do this. I can now. See, then I can get rid of these. Thank you for this. Remove the drawings. Oh, this is a bit messier though. Okay, what do we got? That's the high there. That's the current. Well, that's the low. It's broken through that low. Put it there for the minute. And would you move? Yeah, would you bring this down to there?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So we now this would have been over here, and now it's broken. Now we pull it over to there, correct?
Yeah, that's it. Now you're just following it down. Wherever it's going to stop, it's going to stop.
Now we're going to see whether it pushes
But
back or whether.
if I'm going to take a sell, it's going to be out of the 20, it's going to be out of that 75 zone
Yeah. That's what I know. I understand that.
because it's just too far gone now.
Yeah. Let me have a look at what that would have been previously. Hang on a minute. So that up there, that down here. Yeah, you wouldn't have taken that buy. Oh, you could have, maybe, and then it would have just turned on you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm just looking at, yeah, how it would have been or what it would have done. Okay. Audio, CAD JPY. Phew. Well,
Beep, beep, beep. It is.
that's currently there. So we're now waiting to see what occurs, whether it continues and we just follow it down. When it does turn, then we look at it. Okay. Out of 25. Pretty
There you
easy.
go.
Yeah, okay.
Here you go.
Yeah. CHF JPY. And then this one's, ooh, should it go from here up to there?
No,
Or
your line's changed. Do you
do
see
we
a
need
trend
it?
line change?
Yeah, this trend line changed. Yeah.
Yes. So that's your bottom. That's your top. If this creates another gold bar anywhere in the middle here,
Hmm.
that's your new low, so on and so forth.
Then you would move this up to there.
Correct.
But that's because it's come down here. But yeah, okay, right. Yeah. But because it made that gold, you might have moved this up here though
Yes.
while it was coming, and then because it's down here, then you go like, oh no, we'll go back here.
Yeah, but if you look, if you go back and you put in your fib up at the top of that wick like you had it,
At the bottom of the wick. Yeah.
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 Okay. So you see where the line changed?
Yeah, just here in the middle. Yeah.
Right there in the middle. It's coming down to your 2.5.
Yeah. Or 75, doesn't really matter. Yeah. Come down to 2.5. Yeah.
Yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter. Yeah.
Now because it's come down to that wick, slide your yes. Slide that over to the white one. Now you're tracking it down.
Okay. You don't go
Your
back.
target is down
You're
here.
gonna, okay, you don't go back over here. what you do is because it's broken that, then you're following it down. You don't ever go backwards. You just keep going forward, forward, forward. Okay.
as best you can.
Yeah. Yeah. No, I understand that.
Because what you're looking for is this to give you a gold bar, pull back up,
Yeah, I know. But if
and
it
then
keeps
hit your
moving,
25 and then come back out
yeah,
again.
yeah. But if it keeps moving down, then that's okay. Right, yeah, you're
Right. You just
AUD.
have to decide whether you want to get in or not.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, no, that's all right. Ew. And that's a messy too. Initially, that's where the fube goes. And because that has made a gold bar there, then I move this down there, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And because it hasn't broken the low, I just leave it there at the moment.
Right. Came back in and filled that opening range. See it to your left.
Yep. Yeah, the one over here. Yeah.
Right. So now I'm looking for it to push back up to the other opening range at the top.
Yeah, this one here.
No, the other one.
Or that one up here.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So we just leave that at the minute. That would have been a trade to get into because it came out, changed color. We should have or could have got that trade. Okay. No worries. You're okay. I'm just talking it through, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, you're a kid's okay, different perspective, isn't it? Right, down here to now up here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yep.
you wouldn't move this up there?
I mean,
You
you
would.
could, but I'm leaving it from the entire run of that blue line.
Yeah, but certainly, yeah, see that
Yeah,
made another one
absolutely.
there.
Go ahead and leave it up there, right there. Perfect.
Yeah,
Remember, it's got to go out of because it's already broken that high.
yeah,
So
it's
you're
got to
left with a
make,
triangle.
yeah,
It's got to come out of the box now,
yeah,
back into the box, come out the other side, and then out the other side, and then out
yeah,
the other
no,
side.
yeah,
It's got to
yeah,
get
yeah,
away
yeah.
from whatever it's doing last.
All right,
Literally, that's what it is.
you're a CHF. Should I still leave? Nah. Right. This is not doing too much, is it? I'm going to go from the high up here down to that low, but then we'll move this down to here. And it's just playing around. Okay. Euro GBP. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that would be a good sell now. Or
Uh, Not at this time of day.
no, but you might be right. There might be other things, but certainly it's gone from low to high. It's, the forecast is for it to sell out. It's
Mm-hmm.
changed color here. So,
Mm-hmm.
you know, um, potentially a sell. Okay. All right. I'm just looking, it's just like, it's just a new perspective. That's all. You know,
It's just improving on the old one.
yeah.
Yeah, it's just more and more improvements. It's just getting easier and easier to see anymore.
Yeah.
See how it says it's
Well,
coming down to the 25?
yeah. Well, it
See how
did. It
that trend
came.
line's white coming down to it?
Yeah.
Let
Now
it
we'll
come
see
down,
it.
create a gold bar, turn that
Yeah.
line blue, and away we go.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, you also got US government shutdown too, stuff happening. That's gonna, oh, it's gonna cause some shit to fly, isn't it? Okay. All right, you're at NZD, as that goes up. Oh, we've
I'm
got a
in this.
falter in it for a sell
Yep.
because it went there to there. Oh, you haven't changed color yet, though, Tom. Come on.
Oh, I know. I'm rolling them dice, man. But I see that juicy orb sitting right there.
Opening high and opening low, you reckon?
Hmm.
Okay. It's going for it. Okay. So is that NZD getting some strength, is it? Now let's see. You reckon you're in this one? Okay. All right.
Let's see. Worst case scenario is it turns around and I break
Yeah,
even.
no. Yeah, no. Okay. US, Singapore. I'm just going to get rid of drawings on there. Oh, yeah, remove them. Okay, I'm not doing anything. Yeah, okay, let's put the dragon. We're still going to do this and see what we do, right? Okay. Yeah. All right. Still do the thing. Euro USD. For that. Ooh. So from pop up there down to here, but because it did that pullback there, I'm going to bring this down to there. Correct?
Hmm. It looks like it's pulling back down again.
Yeah. We'll see if it creates. Well, anyway, it's not quite. All right. GGPs, GBPs, AUD. Oh, that's a bit messy, isn't it?
Hmm. No, from the.
I know, I know, I know, I
Oh, I'm
know.
sorry.
Just hang on. I'm just putting it there because that's what I see, and then now we've got that. Correct?
Yep.
And it's just playing around.
So the only thing I'm looking for out of this is for that line to turn blue.
But you won't get a buy out of that. I think. The projection is it's selling further.
Again, those lines change.
True.
So if this thing starts pushing and it turns this line blue,
Yeah,
I'm setting up a trade
for a buy.
above the high.
Okay.
It's got to come out of the box for me to take the buy out,
Yeah, okay.
which means it's bought, sold, and it's out.
Yeah, okay. Okay, GCAD. Let's see what happens here.
Move your bottom one up one.
Yeah, let's get it up there.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's just this would have been a good trade here at the 25 coming back up.
Hmm.
150 pips. Thank you very much. Okay. And what day was that? That was Monday. Okay. GBP CHF.
I'm
We
in this
get
one.
we're getting there. No, you're in this for the buy
Hmm.
because this goes from here to there. Came out of the 25, so you're in the buy until it comes up and then sells out. Okay.
Till it tells me
Sure.
otherwise.
Yeah, fair enough. No, that's okay. GJ, yeah, we're just following these rules. Following the rules. Okay, so this now, it would have been, oh, yeah, it still would be. Nah, you probably moved it up to here, so now we're down there. Okay, we're actually down there. We're just going to follow it. But it would have been, before it broke, it would have been over here.
That's right.
And so now, oh, it broke that, so you go like, oh, okay, we go over here.
Yep.
It's just changing them. Okay, GN. Oh, that's it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for my trend line to change.
Yeah, but I think this will come down with another one. It'll, yeah, I don't think it'll change. I think, well, anyway, we'll see. I think it'll push up further, maybe. Maybe not because of now. Anyway, you just following it and changing it brick by brick. That's fair enough. GBP Singapore, and then I'm going, not that you trade these. It's from there, though, down to there. Goodbye. Okay, GU. Wow. Okay. So now because of that, go from there to there. Yeah, correct.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Now we're going to see what happens from, because that's opening there. There's another open down here. Okay. GU. Okay. NZD CAD. Well, that's a big.
I'm in this one.
You're in for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's just come to the 25 and it's changed color and ready to go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But the forecast is saying it's just going to fail and push back down.
And it might.
Okay. But he doesn't
There's
care.
nothing. There's nothing I can do about it.
No,
I just
not
follow
that.
my rules.
Not at all. There. That's getting ready to pop back up as well. Okay. NJ. Wow. Okay. So now we're going to come off the top. That's going to come down to there because it was over there, but because it's broken it, we're down over here now. Okay. NU. Anyway, makes it easier just to put these on. Then we'll just see what we do from there. Huh? It should be in this one now too. Have you got in?
On which one?
NU.
Oh yeah, I'm in
NZD
this.
USD. Yeah, I thought you
Yeah.
would. Yeah, because it's changed color there. It's up 25. Thank you very much.
Yep.
It's whether it fails. If it doesn't, you just get out. Okay. Singapore Japanese yen. Hmm. Okay. Oh, why's that not? Oh, because that's the most recent. Okay. Hasn't quite closed.
Oh, look at the opening range though.
Yeah. Where just at the moment.
At the see it right there? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I personally would look for the bricks to come down to this green line somewhere,
Yeah,
either
yeah,
one
yeah,
or
yeah,
two bricks further.
yeah, and then come back up.
Get a gold bar down here, and
Yeah,
because
buy
this is
it out.
probably going to wick into that orb now,
Mm.
and then it'll give you another brick, give you a
Ah,
gold
right. Yeah,
brick,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
and
yeah,
then
yeah.
break the orb on the way out.
Yeah, okay. All right,
Watch
USD
your trend
CAD,
line; it'll turn blue.
USD CAD. Oh shit, 3 month down there. Okay, yeah, it's saying it's coming back. Okay. So we've got here up to there. It's just playing around at the moment. It could get rid of that. We'll see. It could go further. Okay. USD CHF. Oh, that's a messy one now, isn't it? They're up to there.
Yeah, I actually have a trade sitting here waiting to be triggered in for the buy.
Oh, for the buy.
It failed. It came back and hit that
Yeah,
orb
hit the and the 25.
and the 25 and
Yeah.
gave me a gold brick. And I'm like, okay, if you're gonna have to beat the high, my entry is gonna be right there at that red wick. So now it has to either push out and go up to the
Yeah, over the left here.
orb to the left.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah,
Or this gold brick's gonna fail and it's
yeah,
gonna
and
drop down
push
like
down.
crazy.
Okay.
So I have a trade set up for the buy and I have the short set up should it start going that way.
Okay, rightio. Good stuff. Well, we're setting each one of them up so we can just keep following them then. Only problem is I might not be able to be on tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, that's the only I got to go really early tomorrow. I'll be away for the whole day. Uh Here would still
Brian,
be
just
that.
ask you a question on
Yeah,
Euro Stable. Sorry to interrupt. Euro Stable EA. Have you got two charts open on that? So you've got
yeah.
the EA on one chart and the news
On a
thing on.
15 and the news on the 1 minute. Yeah.
Correct, correct. That's right. I've got it. So I think I've got it set up correctly, but
I can show you. Can I show you? I don't know if I can show you what I've
yeah,
got.
yeah, that yeah, you don't need to, Brian. That's how I've got it.
Yeah, but
How I've got it set up.
I
It's
don't know
interesting that
why it
you've
hasn't
not taken any
taken.
trades. Yeah,
But you've got it on the Euro version 3, not the Euro Stable Lite.
version 3. Yeah,
Yeah, see, I had it on the stable and I only changed it last night for the.
yeah. Well, I've had
Uh,
trades since then. I think.
yeah, I just don't know why it hasn't triggered on mine. That's all. Okay, UJ. Well, that would have been a good trade there, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Yes, it would have.
Tuesday and back down there. Okay. USD Singapore, which you don't trade. That's good. We're just following this. Okay. Now that's a good trade to get into too. For the sell. You got the orb down here. It's turned wide. It's starting to go.
There's your 3 month.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
So it's like pow, pow, pow all the way through.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see. I'm just looking at when it's time to get into a trade, which is, yeah, it does. Okay. Well, we've got non-farm payroll and everything. So this is gold. It doesn't want gold is like, yeah, sure. Oh, actually, in fact, that should now come up here, shouldn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's breaking out the top. Okay, and silver, same thing. Oh no, silver's okay. Silver would be from here down to there. Looks like it's going to break it anyway. Okay, Bitcoin. Oh, that jumped up. 117. Should we hang on? Let's have a look. We'll do this as well. Just see if it work, if it's on these sorts of things as well. There we go. If that breaks out the top, then that will go and travel up with it. Okay. Fair enough. And oil. Let's look at oil's come back down. Oof. Okay, so we're just going to get rid of some drawings on that. I'm going to go from the high there down to now where it is. Wow. Yeah. He reckons it's going to break a bit and then buy back up. Well, we'll see.
Well, yes. Again, there's your bottom.
Yeah, I know. I can
There's
see
your
it.
punctuation,
Yeah,
puncture, and then to travel.
yeah.
You don't have any red wick at the gold bar at the top.
No.
So where's the next red wick? You can see where the orb is at the top.
Yeah.
Does that top have a red wick?
No. No.
No, not this one. The one up to the left.
That up there, sorry. Yes, got a red wick.
Okay, so if it was me, I would be looking for it to pull back to this orb.
Where is that? Oh, this one up here. Yeah.
Yeah. Grab a Tuesday box, a rectangle.
Yeah,
You see that gold brick to your left?
that one.
That one right there that has no wick. Check that one all the way across. Keep going. Keep going.
Oh,
Okay, so what you're looking for now is this to come out of the 25, take the high with the no wick here, do a
Yeah.
pullback,
yeah,
fail inside this zone from the 25 to the 75,
yeah, and then
push
take off.
out, and then take off. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get up to the top of that green line up there. Where does the
Yeah.
green line go to?
Well, just breaks
That
the
gold
high.
bar right there to your left. See where it came down?
Oh, that one there.
That one right there. Run that. See that rectangle you have there?
Yeah,
Clone it.
I can just get another. It's all right.
Okay. Okay, since that red wick couldn't beat that box, it missed it. It didn't touch it, right?
Yeah,
So anywhere up in here, you're looking for your fib to travel up. So let's play this out.
yeah,
Can you adjust your fib for down at the bottom of the green line
yeah.
to the top of the green line? So if it was me, I would be looking for buys out of that 25
Yeah, up there.
because I want the
Gotcha.
longer trade.
Yeah.
And I'm almost
okay.
willing to bet if you ran a fib from the very high to the left to the very low down where it's at, that's probably your 618.
Yeah, okay. Hmm.
All this shit just commingles together.
Yeah, absolutely it does.
You just got to be able to recognize what you're looking at.
Yeah. Yeah, no, that's okay. All right, well, that's got all of those now. We've set them all up. So there's a couple there to take trades. I'm just going to wait for changeover in another half hour. There'll be another hour and a half or so. Spread settle down, and then I might get into a couple of those trades.
Yeah. I'm closing everything on mine right now. All my
Are you
setup.
closing them all off, are you?
Yeah, because I don't want to be triggered in by all the spread. So
Right. Yeah.
So after the spread comes, I'll just get back in.
And go put them back on again. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
But you don't know whether
cool.
they're going to take off during the day or not.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. All right. Thanks for sending me that that shot, Darren. I'm pretty sure if I look, I've got there's no trades on it whatsoever.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
I don't know why. It's on the M15. Yeah. All right. Anyway, we'll sort it all out. Okay, so I'm not sure. So I think maybe if it's even just a short thing tomorrow morning, and then I'll need to leave because if I 6, 8, right, 7. Yeah, okay. I know I'll probably be able to be on tomorrow morning. We'll see how we go, but that's the plan at the moment. All right, then.
That
You
you're
enjoy
going to be on?
Yes, I'm planning on being on tomorrow.
Okay.
But it'll be maybe a shortened version or something. We'll see. It might only be till 6 because I've got to leave. I need to get over to my mother's house and then I've got to drive another. That takes an hour and whatever, and then I've got to drive another whatever number of hours, another
Yep.
hour and a half, and then do jobs and yeah. Anyway, big day. All right then. I'm going
All
to
right, man.
investigate that Euro stable and see what's going on. Thanks, Darren. Okay.